EcoFlow is excited to introduce Delta, the world's strongest battery generator. Delta is a landmark of both design and function, bringing you the most power, the fastest recharge, and peace of mind in any situation with no gas and no noise. The unit packs a massive 1,300 watt-hours, finally a battery that can truly be a home generator. In the case of a blackout, leave your worries at the door. With an output of 1,800 watts, Delta meets the standard of any wall outlet, so you'll always feel right at home. With Delta, you're never away from work for too long. Delta has the fastest recharge rate on the market. Recharge from 0 to 80% in only 1 hour. Delta is both compact and lightweight. No matter where you go, you will never be slowed down by the heavy load of a gas generator. Delta isn't just powerful, it's as rugged as any tool in the shed. The unit is reinforced with an aluminum chassis that protects the battery pack inside. And with strong rubber padding built into the outer shell, you never have to be concerned when the going gets rough. From home energy storage to electric vehicles to mobile power, the whole world is moving to batteries. So ditch the old generator. No gas, no noise, no maintenance. EcoFlow's Delta is the new standard of battery generators. For your family, for your work, for you.